In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable browser and email notifications in your account settings. If you want to stay up to date with important activity in your account, turning on notifications is a simple and useful step. This helps make sure you see updates as they happen in your browser, and it also lets you choose which alerts you'd like to receive by email. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can get everything set up in just a moment. To begin, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile avatar. This is where you'll usually find personal account options and preferences. Once that menu opens, select Settings. This will take you to the area where you can manage how your account works, including how and when notifications are delivered. After you're in Settings, click on the Notifications tab. This section is specifically designed to help you control the alerts you receive. If you're trying to reduce missed updates or simply want more visibility into account activity, this is the place to do it. Next, find the browser notifications section. Click the option to enable them, and if your web browser shows a permission prompt, choose Allow. This step is important because your browser needs your approval before it can send notifications to your device. If you don't see the prompt right away, make sure your browser isn't blocking pop-ups or permission requests. Once allowed, browser notifications can help you receive timely alerts even while you're working in another tab. After that, review the options under Email Notifications. You'll see different types of activity updates that can be sent to your inbox. Check the ones you want to receive based on what's most relevant to you. For example, you might want alerts for important account activity, updates, or other changes that need your attention. Choosing only the notifications you actually need can help keep your inbox organized while still making sure you don't miss anything important. Once you finish selecting your preferences, take a moment to review everything and make sure the options match the way you want to be notified. Keeping both browser and email notifications configured properly is a great way to stay informed without constantly checking the platform manually. That's all it takes to update your notification settings. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to enable browser and email notifications in your account settings.